Thank you for buying this 10178 magazine literature holder from Fixture Displays. This is how the product ships and is ready to go. There's no assembly required. It's made from pretty sturdy, beefy wire, powder coated black, and the forelegs have rubber tips. That give you good amount of friction and prevent scratching of your tabletop or floor. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. Dimensions left to right 15.5 inches, front to back 9.8 inches on the widest point. Overall height is 13.2 inches. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. We now load a stack of magazine. As you can see, this fit quite a bit of literature magazines or books. We now put it on a spinner to let you see different angles of this nice holder. I encourage you browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. If you have a custom project, we'd love the opportunity to quote your requirement. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like us, subscribe. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.